This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
So today I will do revision classes from today onwards. Few classes will be revision class. I got the informations like this. Some of the students are not understanding. So today I'll revise what I am thinking. So that's what. From the beginning, one more time we'll revise. So today no new topic I am going to teach this week and this coming week also. Whatever we have done to do in class itself. Okay, you can share the screen. I'll teach you from beginning itself. Let's once introductions will start and how to open the software as well as from the enterprise structures will start once again and you have
So
to
when
do
you're
in
doing
class
it,
itself.
yeah, so can we follow along is what I wanted to ask.
I got the informations like this because few student does not have that time it was not there SAP software they could not do. So these things has happened. So what I am saying once more beginning from this will do next few days. Okay, so no new topic I'm going to teach today, and I'll give the assignments you have to do, and you can share the screen also. One by one, you can share the screen. Like this will continue few days. Okay, is that okay, students? So all students will understand that thing. Those who have installed recently. So let all the student has joined. We'll start the class. Sorry. So what is that? What do you mean by SAP? SAP means system applications and product in data processing. Okay, this presentation already I shared in the group before when I started the classes. Today one more from the beginning I want to start. So introductions to SAP FI, that is your system applications product in data processing. SAP is the core module within the SAP ERP. Uh, as you know what is ERP? ERP is what? Enterprise Resource Planning, which is belongs to like main, machine, material, and money. Okay, so ERP is the enterprise structure planning. It consists of this one: your finance, HR, banking, then accounts, and your sales, purchase, all this thing. It is based on all type of business transactions and day-to-day activities of the business. Modules within a ERP system that provides comprehensive financial management capabilities for enterprises. Means there are different kinds of business, there are different kinds of companies are there. So business in the sense like sole proprietorship business, partnership business, then joint stock companies, public sectors business, private sectors, like that it is. So reporting enabling by organizing the maintained accurate and up-to-date financial records. So actually overviews of the SAP-FI modules is it related to the general ledger. So ledger is what? Ledger is the head of the accounts or final book of entry. Every business transactions means I can say you is the day-to-day activity of the business like purchase, sales, deposits, withdrawals, receipts, and payments. So these all activities are related to business transaction. Okay. So business transactions first time when it will be recorded, it will be recorded in the books of accounts that is called journal book. Okay. That is called bookkeeping. So after that we are posting into the ledger. So ledger in the general ledgers, what is that? Maintain the main books of accounts, record all financial transactions and generate financial statements. Financial statements means balance sheet, profit and loss, okay, and trading account also we can say. These are all financial trial balance, that is also financial statements. Then accounts receivable, this SAP 5 modules cover accounts receivable, accounts payable. Accounts receivable based on the customer, so handle customer invoices, payments and collections. Accounts payable belongs to the process in when vendor invoice, manage payments, and track liabilities. What do you mean by liabilities? Liability is that amount which a company is liable to pay to the creditors. Okay, so here vendors in this case is called creditors like supply of goods, suppliers of goods and services. Next is general ledger accounting. So it is of like centralized accounting, maintain a single comprehensive view of all financial transactions. As I told you, all kinds of transactions we are entering in the day-to-day activities. So what are the types of transactions in this case? What are the financial transactions? Who can answer me? What do you mean by financial transactions? Give me some examples in that.
Ma'am, a financial transaction is the one that happens between a buyer and a seller, and it can also
Yeah.
be the exchange of goods and services.
Yes, financial transactions are not only this much, we can include the deposits and withdrawal also because that is also bank activities will be related to the business also. Right, your answer also correct, and this also you can include on that. Next is flexible reporting. Flexible reporting in the sense generate customizable financial statements and reports like balance sheet. As I told you, financial statements are balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, trading account, stock summary, stock queries. These reports are called flexible reporting. Next is automated process. Automated process means like streamline accounting tasks like period and closing and reconciliation. See, in this case, your opening period, closing period, as our financial year starting from which date? Financial year starting from which date? Who can answer me?
April
Which
1st to March 31st.
Yes, 1st April to 31st March. This is a financial year. And last year closing balance will be the next year opening balance like this. Means this year opening balance. So that is called your balance adjusting, and reconciliations belongs to your there is a two things. One is for vendors reconciliation. So we are creating the vendor reconciliations field status group that we will learn in this, and reconciliation statement like BRS also when we are depositing check, and check that is post-dated because when you deposit the check you will not get on the same date uh, what is that message and all, and it will not credited on that day, it will be after 2 days. That was we are telling post-dated check. Okay, in that case which date it has been deposited that day it will be reconciled. Okay, that is called BRS, bank reconciliation statement. In this banking features also there. So accounts receivable, what is that? Customer management, maintain detailed customer records and credit management. So in these sections we are creating a customers and we are creating invoices for this and customer payment. See, actually what is that? Customer means we are receiving money, but in SAP FI, this software we are telling is a customer payments. That is called incoming payment. For vendors, what we are doing, that is outgoing payments. So the word incoming and outgoing, it is used in SAP software. But usually we are telling no customer, from this we are receiving the money. As we sold some items, we are receiving money. Is that clear? So invoice processing. So automatically generate and send invoice to the customer. Okay. Now one small questions. When you are going to buy some of the items in a shop, who is issuing invoice? Obviously, supplier may shopkeeper will issue invoice. So that is only we are issuing invoice to the customer party. Next is collections and dunning. Dunning, what is that? Dunning is a procedure through which we are sending a reminder letter to the customer for making payment. Understanding? So efficiently manage outstanding payments and follow up on the delinquent accounts. Means suppose we sold some items, then the person is not paying us. In that case, we are sending a letter to reminder. It is called as a reminder. Dunning is a procedure through which we can send the reminder to the customer for making payment. Is that clear? Are you understanding? Hmm? Are you understanding this? Accounts receivable. Okay. If you are understanding, in the message box, type yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, in the message box, you type yes. Okay. Any other students has doubts? Okay. Okay. So next is, okay. So who has not understood now till? Because as we are doing revision class, so there should be everything doubt should clear. Okay. So now we'll continue this. Next you see this one. Okay. Accounts payable. Accounts payable is what? Vendor management. In this case, what is that? Maintain comprehensive vendor records and payment. In this, vendors means your supplier. As I told you, in other sentence, if you are telling, other words means sundry creditor. We can say vendors, we can say sundry creditor, we can say, what is that? Supplier of goods and services. So for that, three part is there in SAP. First is we have to create a vendor document. Then we have to do invoice processing. How to generate like sales invoice. That is your purchase invoice. You can do it. Then we have to do payment executions. How to do vendor payment. We purchase some of the items from the vendors and how we make the payment. That procedure is also there, which I taught you last class only, and we are going to revise. Automate and control the payment of invoices to the vendors. So this is account payable part. Next is assets. What do you mean by asset? What do you mean by asset? Yes, students, answer me. What do you mean by asset? So answer me
Those
now.
are
Yes.
assets are the ones that like you can sell or it is a like you can it is a cash in hand for you like
Okay. No, it is
Ma'am,
not a cash.
material
And
or
you are
monetary
telling
wealth
that
of the
one
company.
example on that. So actually,
It is
what do you mean
something
by
that the
asset?
company owns, ma'am.
Ma'am, material or monetary wealth of a company.
Okay. Any other explanations? Any other definitions for that? In a simple sentence, you have answered. In a simple sentence, assets is the property of the business, okay, which is used to run the business and not for the sale. Just like can you give example of asset? And types of asset?
Types of assets are current assets and fixed assets.
Correct. What are the fixed assets?
Fixed assets are the ones that cannot be like moved that
Oh, fixed assets are. Give me examples on this, Anusha. Like,
Land, machinery.
yes, land, building, plant and machinery, you're right. So these are called fixed assets. Computer, company, vehicle, these are fixed assets. Current assets is cash in hand, cash in. Some one student has answered me that is called your current asset. Or this cash is called as a liquid assets. Okay. Because cash always it's moving, like cash is coming and going. So cash is called as a liquid asset also. Correct. Next, what is that? Now see, assets accounting, your fixed assets management, you are going to learn. Track and manage the full life cycle of fixed assets, including acquisitions, depreciation, and disposal. What do you mean by depreciation, students? Do you know this meaning? Depreciation?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain what is depreciation?
It is a fixed amount of an asset that will, the value of that asset will come down every single year. Fixed percentage of the amount of an asset.
Also, annual wear and tear of an asset that we have to pay.
Yes, yes, yeah. The second answer is correct. What is that? Due to the user. See, suppose you have purchased furniture. 5 years already you have used in your office. After this, you are going to sell. Then definitely the value will decrease. Okay. You will not get the purchase price of the particular furniture. In that case, this is called depreciation. The decreased value of the fixed assets is known as depreciation. Correct. Likewise. Next is assets valuation is here. Maintain an accurate and up-to-date assets value for financial and financial reporting and tax process purposes. Okay. So these are the things just like it is applicable to GST. Okay. GST is configuration is there in SAP that will come in the coming classes will continue. Then assets transfer. Efficiently handle the transfer of assets between cost centers and business units. What is the assets transfer? Just like I told you, current asset we have transferring our account from one bank to another. Suppose you have two banks account. From one bank account to another bank, you are transferring your money. So that is called your cash transfer, check transfer, all these things you can do. That is called transfer of assets. Okay. So bank accounting also related here. Maintain a centralized repository of all banks accounts and their details. Bank statement processing, as I told you, BRS. Here also you can see over the screen how suppose we have done some check transactions. In that case, we can see the bank overview also. Bank statement processing automatically reconcile bank statements with internal financial records. Get it? So these are the things. Payment execution, there is a different way of payment. Can you tell me offline mode payment and what is the difference between online payment? What is offline payment, offline mode and online mode payment? Yes. Anyone answer me? Offline,
Are
suppose
you
you want to.
asking for like the
Tell.
modes of how we can do online payment or the meaning?
Huh. Meaning not in how you are paying online payment. Suppose you have joined for any
Offline would
course.
be cash,
Okay, fine.
and
Next.
online could be
On
net banking.
the bank
Yeah,
transactions.
NEFT or
Yes,
RTGS.
NEFT, RTGS, that is the things. Okay, and which are the apps through which you can make online payment? Means which are the digital wallet or which are the
UPI
apps
apps
where,
like Google
huh,
Pay,
tell
Phone
me that
Pay,
names and all.
Bharat Pay, Google Pay, Phone
Okay.
Pay.
Yes, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm is there. Okay, Bharat Pay also there. So these are all through this we can do online payment. And as one student has told, offline means cash and check. Check also you can deposit. That is also to deposit. Cash and check is what? Offline payment. Okay. So this is the payment mode. So in these vendors, we can select the payment. Next is cash management. This is the very important things. Cash flow forecasting. In SAP, you will get cash flow and cash in and cash out. Means what? Cash outgoing and cash incoming. That means when we are purchasing something, cash is outgoing. When we are selling something, then cash is incoming payment. Okay, so that has to be cash. Here it is a cash journals. In SAP, you will going to learn cash journal. How to create cash journals, it is there, and it related to all cash payment and receipts. That is only the things. And payment management streamline the payment process and improved cash visibility. Then BRS related to the check transactions, automatically match and reconcile bank statements with internal records. Next is financial reports. Financial reports belongs to the balance sheets. Balance sheet, what is that? It shows the financial position of the business. Every common students, they will be knowing like assets, liabilities. It displays assets and liabilities. Now one simple question: which side will be asset? Which side will be liability? We have a two sides, debit and credit, left and right. Now you clarify me which side will be debit means liability, which side will be credit means. So no, not debit credit. You can classify with the assets and liabilities.
Liabilities will be on the left and assets on the right.
Okay, fine. Next is income statement. Check the companies and revenue, expenses, profitability. This belongs to the profit and loss accounts. Income statement belongs to the profit and loss account. And cash flow statements, as I told you, cash inflow and outflow of the cash during the given period. Means in 1 month or 2 months or at a quarterly basis or monthly basis or yearly basis, we can check the cash flow statement. Next is implementation configurations, business requirements, user training system. This is the about the introductions to SAP. Okay. Now I am going to show you once again enterprise structure. So today, when I'll show you once, you can also share the screen. I'll just tell you how to share, and then we can continue that. Okay. So let's start with the software. So this is the software student VMware workstation.
Ma'am, actually my software is lagging a lot.
Hmm. So click on this option is displaying means you can close it. So resume this virtual machine. Who is telling me what happened actually?
Ma'am, my software is lagging a lot.
It will take time slow. It is based on your system properties, Palak.
Ma'am, actually this
So
model and according to sir it is the best model for the software. So like should I go to Jayanagar to fix this issue?
yes, you can come. Every time it's welcome. You can come anytime. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
check it
Thank
out.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Now see here, this is now loading. Why I'm revising after 2 3 classes they have joined, and I got the information that some of the students is not able to do that. So that I decided will revise once again, and it will be good for every students, right? So now see here, you will get the first screen as a SAP
Excuse me,
Easy
ma'am.
Access. Tell me.
Uh, Ma'am, I find something like display IMG. I can't view the SAP Easy Access. So how do I go back to SAP
Yes,
Easy
ma'am.
Access?
Can
That's the
you share the screen now? I will stop share. You share the screen,
Uh,
I'll guide you that.
Ma'am, give me a minute. I'll join from my actual laptop. I'm using two devices to follow
Two
it better.
devices. Okay. Yashita, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, even I face the same problem as Yashita, so can I share my screen? Is it fine for her?
But one by one. I'm
Oh,
telling.
yes. I think Akshaya can share the screen so that I'll
Okay, you can
follow.
also get it, huh? Okay, I'll just So you can present now, Yashita.
Ma'am, Akshaya said she'll be sharing it.
But I have already enabled for you, so I am telling.
I have to log in from another device. I think you need to give me a minute now.
Okay. Okay. Who is going to connect now?
Ma'am, me, Akshay.
Okay. Akshaya Suresh. Okay. Let's check it out. I will present. Okay. Now you can present. Okay, where you stuck? It is showing display image. It's current screen only. You have already entered to the SPRO and as well as the this. Huh. Now I can see your screen, Akshaya. You have to go to the correct only. The enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Click on that triangle. Display image screen only will display. So you need not. Are you able to listen, Akshaya? Hello. Hello, Akshaya, are you able to listen?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am. I think
You are
my
in
mic
correct
is
screen
mute.
only. Okay, you are in correct screen only. You have to go to the
Yes.
enterprise structure, then go to the definition, then financial accounting. Okay, click on that triangle. Define company.
Which triangle, ma'am? There's no any
No,
triangle here.
that is the image activity is there. No IMG activity, not that one. That is
Yes,
document. Right side, that clock type symbol is displaying. No, that is
yes.
IMG activity. You click on that and click on new entries.
New
So every
entries. Yes, ma'am.
student, okay. Next, create a company with the 6 digit. Like what you will create, Akshay, no, AKSH. You can type AKSH. What is your date of birth
Yes.
that you can give?
2701.
Okay. No,
Sorry,
only
AKS is 20.
four alpha, two numerics you can give. So AK
Okay.
SH27. Okay. Then you
Okay.
create a company, Akshaya Company. Type there Akshaya Company 27. Okay. Next, name of the two company two not required. Then come back to the postal code. Directly you click on postal code. Yes. Which area you are staying, that area, postal code, pin code you can give.
Okay, ma'am. 560052.
I am giving Jayanagar pin code, so you can give which area you are staying, that pin code you can give. Next city,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
are in Bangalore, so you can type Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay. Then country, you can type IN. Not need not to require any caps lock between stuck or else. Don't use any caps lock. I am telling to all students, do not use any caps lock in the entries time. Okay, not required. Just capital Shift B you type and do it. Caps lock should not on this.
Okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
country will
Then
be IN.
small country is small I N. That's all. And
Okay.
in language key small E N. There is no capital letters. If it is showing
Okay.
the list, then you can click. Then the currency is INR.
I, sorry. Uh, INR.
INR. Okay. Then what you have to do, click on save button.
Ma'am, this one?
Yes, that one only.
Okay.
So now you need not to create click here. Click on that own request is given. No, that left side one symbol is there. Notepad symbol like. Uh, Come
Yes, ma'am,
down.
this one,
Yes,
right?
yes, that's right, huh? That you click.
Okay. Okay.
Here, short description you write Akshaya Company 27. Same name, what you have given at the creation, that only.
Okay.
After this, click on Save button. It is in down left corner.
Yes, ma'am.
On
Save.
the screen, yes, that is done. So click on this tick mark is there, no? Green color tick mark. There you click yes.
Okay.
That is called
Okay.
continue or enter. Yes, your company has been created. So you can once more you can click on save and back to the display image screen.
Wait, ma'am. So where now to go back to the display image screen,
Yes,
how do I do it?
that green color left arrow is there, no? Yes, that
Yes.
is only. Okay, so you can see click on position and check your company. So again you click on this define company once again, click on IMG activity.
Okay.
Yes, click
Okay.
on position.
Okay.
Good. Then type that company that is what you have AKSH 27.
Okay.
You can check it out. Your company is there or not. Yes, it's there. Okay.
Yes.
So back.
Okay.
And now, what is the next step? Next step is
Ma'am,
creation.
one doubt, ma'am. So, ma'am, from display image screen, the doubt that Yashita had was that how do we get back to the SAP Easy Access screen?
Very good. That green color left arrow is there. No, there you click once. Which is the back button
One
I
minute, ma'am.
shown you? Not that one. Not
Yes.
that one. Yes. Back once.
Okay. Okay.
Click there. Again you click back.
Okay.
So got it.
Yes,
Actually,
ma'am.
here only you have to shut down the guest. You can see the double line is there, no column bar like this, column chart like this.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
right side one drop down menu is there. No, it is
Ma'am,
there
this one,
only.
right?
Yes, there you have to click
Okay.
suspend guest after the class.
Okay,
Suspend guest
ma'am.
only you have to click ma, nothing you have to do. And when you will come, as I shown you, resume the virtual machine. That's all. This is the first screen actually. How to go there? In the T code bar, where is the T code bar? You can see just below the menu bar, that white space is there, no?
Ma'am,
There you type
ma'am,
SPRO.
ma'am, actually, your voice is breaking, ma'am. What did you say actually, ma'am? After getting your back to the main screen, I have to suspend the guest. After that, what were you explaining, ma'am?
Now you want to go to the display image screen. What you have to
Yes.
do in the T code bar, type
Okay.
SPRO.
Okay.
There,
SPRO.
SPRO.
Okay.
Press enter.
Okay.
Yes. So click on SAP reference IMG.
Okay.
Yes. It will come. Now you got it. Display image. Display
Yes, ma'am.
IMG. This is the screen where we are working. First, we are
Ma'am, why
working
do we
here
have to suspend the thing, ma'am? Suspend guest. Why do we have to
because
do it?
directly if you close the software, it will spoil. Means it will not work then after next time. We cannot directly close the software. It is the procedure to shut down the guest and resume the virtual machine. You can do power on power off, but right now you don't do. If you'll do again, the software problem will happen because this is the software like we cannot close directly. There is some procedure to on and off. Getting this? So this is the procedure. So I told you.
Ma'am, so
If
we
you
can't
simply
resume it. We have to do it both. We have to resume it and then
when you
suspend
are
it.
opening, double click on the software, resume the virtual machine. Once you will get the SAP Easy Access screen, you saw always. I have just always go to the SAP Easy Access and there only I'll shut down the guest, right? And when I'll open again, it will start directly from the SAP Easy Access. That is also it can be done. Once you resume the virtual machine, directly what screen you will get SAP Easy Access. From there you can type in T code bar SPRO, and you can SAP reference IMG, then display IMG screen. Clear? So this is the path. You should not directly close the software, then the software will go off. You will not able to open next time. That is the procedure. So any other students, any doubts? Now you understood? Now
Excuse me,
Akshay
ma'am.
will continue the next one. Yes.
Ex- Ma'am, actually, I logged in and I put the password as India123, and then later
Hmm.
it shows that I have to log in the problem ID and comment. So what do I do?
Password you should not change. Password is one only, India 123 only.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
should not use any dots, caps lock, nothing you should use. Then
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be locked.
After that, it's coming as problem ID and comment.
Okay, Nivedita is asking. Okay, what
Yes, ma'am.
happened? No, one time, two times, if you wrong password if you have given, then it will lock the software. You will not able to open. Again, you have to contact with the admin because he has to solve this. We cannot. That is this type of software it is. So technical issues is happening means directly you are trying to give wrong password means maybe unknowingly you have given means it will
Yes.
lock the software. So then you have to contact to the admin only. User cannot solve this. That is the
So I
things.
have to call Anand sir, ma'am.
Yes, because
Okay.
that again he will create the password. Again he has to set for this. Even in class also, in our lab also some students they'll try to give wrong password, then it will be lock. That lock is not possible to unlock this. That is only system admin can do that. That is the things. Okay, and that's what I told when don't give password. This procedure you don't do directly. You do shut down the guest and resume the, because power on power off if you do, then password is required or else it is not required.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I installed the software like few days before, ma'am. So that's why the first time it
I
asked the
have
password.
seen you. I have seen you. You have come to the Jayanagar also.
Yes.
Nivedita, I think. What happened? That they
Yes,
installed
ma'am.
after this? After that? Did you practice
Yes.
any day?
Ma'am, I tried logging in, ma'am, and this problem ID it came.
Okay, then contact with the admins are only. That is only the software issues. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
now
Excuse me,
any other
ma'am.
students? Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I have installed the software. Anand
Hmm.
sir asked me to call for further details, ma'am, but I have been calling him since 2 days. He's not picking my call. So
What
I'm
happened
not
to your
able.
software?
Actually, I had downloaded the SAP folder and all, but he asked me to call him for the further details, how to open the
You have
software and
downloaded.
all.
How you can download? You cannot download from the internet.
No, ma'am, he had only downloaded and given.
Okay, then what's the
But he
problem
asked me
happened?
to call for further things, but he's not picking my call now. I've been calling
Okay,
since
call
two
to
days.
the Jayanagar branch only. Then
Okay.
counselors will tell me you can connect because he has other branches also is going. So he'll be busy
Okay.
maybe for that. You can check with one's counselor. NICT Jayanagar number, you can get it and you can call up once.
Okay,
Okay.
where will I get the number, ma'am?
You can in when you'll get uh, okay. Can you talk to your madam? So maybe she will tell you that
Okay,
because
ma'am.
system
Okay, sure,
admin
ma'am.
number in the group also it is there. You can
Okay.
contact in the group also. You can send a message in group, Lisa.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you will get it there because admin sir is there also in our group also, college group also. He's there. So you tell sir this is the problem I want to solve like this. You can tell it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
His number is there in our college group also. Okay. So that is the
Okay,
things.
ma'am.
Next, I will continue. Any other
Ma'am,
doubts you have?
I have one doubt. I am stuck like in the customizing request of defining the company. The short description, like what are we supposed to give? Like the full name of our company, right? Whatever we gave while creating the company.
No, I am going to show you from beginning. So Akshay has asked me, so I shown. Any students wants to share the screen now only you can share the students. So I'll
Ma'am,
enable them. So
I'll share
yes,
the
tell
screen,
me,
ma'am.
Akshay.
Ma'am, I'll share the screen, ma'am.
Okay, share now.
Ma'am, shall I share the screen?
Yes, share it. So will there that
Yeah.
screen only will do orders. Everyone can see. Everyone can see the Akshaya screen. Okay, we'll do there only. Enterprise structure.
1 minute, ma'am. Can you all see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
Now I am asking to all
Uh,
students. All students, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue there. So define company we have done. Next you click on this define. No, not this one. Not this one.
Excuse me.
This is wrong. Back. Okay. Define credit control area. Click on this. Okay, one
Excuse me,
second, one
ma'am.
second. Yes, tell me. We have to
Ma'am, I
create
just
first
wanted to know.
company code, Akshaya. So for that, we have to go to the third options, not this one.
Oh,
After define, we have to create a company code. Which one? The third image activity is there, no? ING activity. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. That option
okay,
you click
ma'am.
yes. Now you double click on edit company code. Yes. Then you click on new entries.
Okay.
Okay. Type a company code with the 4 digit. Like AK27 you can give with
Okay.
your company and 2 digit. Yes. That is, and type the company name Akshaya Company 27. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Company, city, all this thing you fill. City is Bangalore.
1 minute, ma'am. Bangalore and country is IN.
Yes.
Currency is
Currency. INR.
Ma'am,
INR.
can you tell me what am I supposed to type in the customized request while defining the company because I'm still stuck there.
1 minute. Language you give EN.
Okay.
Okay. We'll do first enterprise structures, then we'll clear the doubts. Okay. Click on save.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. It's done. Now here one more screen has come, students. Type their company. If you will click, it will come. Click there.
And then the
Company.
name. Okay.
Yes, it's
Title
automatically
itself.
come. Yes.
Okay.
Next
Okay.
name is Akshaya Company 27.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
sorry for the interruption. Should we all do it? Should we all do
Okay.
it or we just have to see Akshaya?
Yes, everyone can do today because everything is
Oh,
practical today. So today
okay,
onwards,
ma'am.
I'll be taking class like this. Till accounts payable, whatever I taught, again fully I'm revising. Next coming
So
classes.
should we follow the same thing, whatever is done, or can we create it
Yes,
on our?
you can follow. See, you have a different name. You have to create one company on this, and then you. When we'll do transactions, that time I'll give you some questions. Right now, all students, you create a company and show it to me. Okay, those who will stuck, you can share the screen. Right now only you can do it. Now one screen is presenting Akshaya. So by seeing this, all students do in your system. And if anywhere you stuck, just share the screen with me.
Ma'am, so shall we start from beginning, like for the people to
Yes.
follow, like once again?
Who is speaking now?
Yes, please. Yes, Akshaya. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya is
Okay, ma'am.
already doing,
So
na? Akshaya is doing already. Okay.
no, no, ma'am.
Postal city.
Actually, no, ma'am. The thing is that we came here, right, ma'am, for the credit control area. I mean, sorry, defined company code. So many people
Yes.
didn't know how to like go there itself. So, ma'am, so shall we start from beginning once again?
Already we did it from beginning today, no? Okay, you complete the screen. Complete this.
Oh,
Now, if you do,
okay,
then I'll share my screen. I'll teach you once again. Then
okay,
7
ma'am.
o'clock we'll start with the doubt session.
Link.
Okay, so you complete it once. Postal code you give, city you give. Complete the screen. Don't
1 minute.
come. Don't go back. There nothing. Come back to the postal code. That
Okay.
white box is there. No, not there. Not there. Street
Here.
address is there, no street address, there only you go. The
Okay,
third
ma'am. Yeah.
section, yes. There you give pin code. And right side you type Bangalore, yes, Bangalore. And country you then do India, type that.
Okay.
Okay, region is 10, as we are in Karnataka, it is 10.
Hmm.
Okay, so after this what you have to do, down it is save button is there, like continue button is there, the tick mark,
Hmm.
yes, that one, that one. Click on this, it will save. Then click on again tick mark, your name is displaying, tick mark is there,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So click on save button once and back to the display IMG. If the message is displaying data was saved in green color in down status bar, that means your everything is done. Now you close the screen. Close means that one small box, there only you close it. Now stop here. So any other student has any doubt? Any screen has to share? Anyone wants to share the screen?
Ma'am, how can we go to new entries?
New entries. New entries. You how to what define company? I will show you once again to every students. Okay, I'll share the screen now.
Ma'am, I am not getting a customizing request.
Save this. Okay, now you are able to share. Now we are able to see the students all screen. Now see here, my software is already open. So here I'll type SPRO, press enter, SAP reference IMG. Okay, so I'll go
Ma'am,
to
go
the,
slow. Ma'am, please go a little slow.
this is only I am in SAP Easy Access. Then in the T code bar, what you have to type? SPRO. One second. Press enter. Are you getting this? SAP reference IMG. So all is done. Everyone is doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, you have to go to the enterprise structure. Then you go to the definition. Then you go to the financial accounting. All are getting students? Then click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
define company. You have to click on this IMC activities. Then on screen you can see new entries. Okay, so click on the new entries. Type by your name. Okay, so see on the screen and type. You can give your first four alpha of your name, and you can give your date of birth or any numbers you can give, two numbers. Then type company name, and you can fill the postal code, city Bangalore, country India, language key EN, currency INR.
I'm not getting the customizing request.
So everyone is done till this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So click on this save, and I have to create. So you can see where is my cursor. My cursor is in this create request. Okay, where it is here. This one symbol is there like notepad. So click on this, and short description is same name I'm going to give.
I'm not receiving the notification itself.
You'll get this notifications. So click on save and save. Okay, just I'll stop this. Who is not getting notification?
I'm Sneha. Snehashri.
Sneha Shri. Okay, 1 second. Can you share the screen? Sneha Shri, two name
Ma'am,
is displaying. Sneha
I
Shri
am
KB and
joined
Sneha
through
Shri.
I have joined through two systems. The
Which
KB,
one I will allow?
Snehashri KB.
Okay. 1 minute. Now you can share. Yes, Anusha,
Yes, ma'am.
you are asking any questions?
No, ma'am. I'm like fine.
Sneha Shri, you can share the screen now. Okay. So your screen is little not visible. I think there is a internet issues or what? It is not visible properly.
Can you see it now?
Huh, but it is not, the letters are not visible properly. I think this is some. Okay, you just tell me what happened. You are creating a company, so
Ma'am, okay, if I go
sorry.
to define company,
Hmm.
new entries,
Directly it's saving for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do one thing when you create company code, check it out once. No problem. Data was saved means there is no mistake. So go to the back screen, display image activity. Okay, back again. Your company has been created. Now you create company code. So edit, copy, delete company code data. That yes. Then third option you double click. Yes. So click on new entries. You give your two alpha, two numeric according to your company name and type the same company name what you have created. Hmm. Okay. Then click on save. You can create it here, not a problem, but request it will not showing. Okay, it will show any point. You keep on doing. When the screen will come, you can create a request. Now you just do that. We'll see. It will be creating or what. So company, same company name you type and fill all the data. Directly it is saving. Okay. We'll see. Your data was saved. It is telling right. So we'll see in the coming sections means whatever you will create next. Then anytime it will ask you the customized request. Just click on the request. It can suppose students forgot to create and they closed it. Okay. Any point, any stage they can create the company code. Okay, so it will come in the coming section space. You can create it, not a problem. But your data is already saved, not a problem for that. I have a one question. Sir. Are you using the same company code again and again? Same company?
No, ma'am.
No problem. It will ask in the
No,
coming
no.
classes because without this, other sections like chart of accounts, this and all, it will not be continue. That time definitely it will ask you, miss. You can create the request. Create request anytime you can do. It does not matter if it is not displaying. Also, you can create at the next time also. Not a problem. Okay. There is no issue on that. You can continue this.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, any other students? So I'll tell you now company code just like she created, which Sinasri has created. I'll show you. Then we'll go to the another, like how to assign this. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Pooja.
Ma'am, I couldn't access to the SAP Easy Access something. There's another screen appeared. Can
Hmm?
I share my screen?
Pooja. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One second.
Yeah.
Now, Pooja, you can share.
Yes, ma'am. One sec. Yeah, so this screen appeared.
With screen appear.
Isn't it sharing?
Hmm. You have shared already. Oh, the screen is appearing.
One
Okay.
sec. Yeah.
Okay, do one thing. You have actually power on power if you have done. So click
Okay.
on the SAP Management Console.
Um,
Double click on the SAP Management Console. Yes, double click there. Your I think it has been open. I think. Pooja, can you open this? Okay, let's see if it is not open. You can click here. And the down one option is displaying like SAP MCC it is displaying now.
Yes, ma'am.
That click on that. I'll just check it out. One
Yeah.
click you do. Yes, it's already on. So just
Okay.
minimize this. Nothing. Minimize. Minimize button is there. Not there.
Okay.
Up in the menu. Yes.
This one.
Not that one is restore. This next one. Minimize. Don't
Okay.
you have closed it? I think. No,
Okay.
you don't do that much. It is all most of the things is open. So only just minimize. Minimize button is where the hyphen type. Yes.
Yeah, this one.
If you'll open more times, then it will be stuck your software.
Okay, okay.
Minimize this. Okay. Why this screen is showing for your desktop background? Okay. Now you do
Wait.
one
So
thing.
you minimize this
Mean
screen or the back one?
there is a lot of screen has opened now. You have to close
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Close once. We'll see.
Yeah.
One more you close. Only one should be there. Close this.
Mm.
Okay. Wait. Now only one is displaying. Click on that. Left click.
At what?
In the down SAP MCC displaying. No, there you click.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So minimize this. Minimize.
This.
Where is the minimize button? Not that one. Or top. In the top bar. Title bar minimize. Yes.
This one.
Yes. Not
Okay.
that one. In S.
Yeah.
You're not getting. How can I tell you? In the SAP
Which one?
MCC screen only, the GCC 62 has written. No. There. Yes. That point you minimize. That you click.
Okay. Yeah, I
Click
did,
there.
ma'am.
Okay. Next
Mm.
you double click on the SAP logon. Double click on the SAP logon. You don't do come to the screen because it will be you will be not able to know that.
Okay.
This is all technical part. Okay, first time you do it. SAP logon. Double click there.
Yeah, I did it. One sec.
It will take time. It is not faster. It will little
Mm-hmm.
slow. Acha, click on logon. Yes,
Okay.
there. Okay, one more screen will open. Yes, that is then. User has given no. You type your SAP user all in small letters. SAP user. He is not set for this. Okay. Then click on the password line. Yes. Type India 123. All in small letters.
Yes, ma'am,
3.
done.
Language you give EN.
Okay.
Language, come to the language.
Yes, done.
Okay. Press enter. Not there. Enter key you have to press. We'll see it is the loading or not.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Because admin will is set for all this. They will, now you got the SAP Easy access
Yeah,
screen, right?
got it.
In
Yes,
that you take the mouse, click on the T code bar, just click yes,
ma'am.
type SPRO, yes, SPRO, press enter.
Yes.
This
Yes, ma'am, I
particular
got it.
screen, this particular screen only you have to shut down the guest. You need not to go
Okay.
to that screen only because you will not be remembering that. So always admins are in my system also set like this. In my
Okay.
system also, which
Now
I'm
you said
taking
shut down
classes.
guest, so ma'am, I think everyone's getting confused.
No
Suspend.
problem, no problem. You can if this is the screen where you have to starting and shut down the guest screen. We can do that. Okay, now you
Okay,
got
ma'am.
it. Got
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
Pooja? Okay. So
Yeah.
just
Yes,
go
ma'am.
back again.
Okay.
Back button is there. I told you in Akshaya time also. The green color left arrow mark is there. There you
Yeah.
click on the top.
Okay.
Take the mouse pointer there. In the T code bar right side it is green. Yes. Then again click one more time.
What am I supposed to click, ma'am?
There you click, I'll tell you back.
Okay.
You will get the SAP Easy Access once more.
Yes. Okay.
Actually, for me, the screen is loading late. So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
just take the mouse in the top. Take the mouse in the top. Don't click anywhere. Just take the mouse in the top bar. You will
Okay.
get shut down the guest.
Okay. Should I do like I have to click on the shut down the guest or suspend the guest?
Yes, suspend. Yes, shut down the guest. So sorry,
Okay.
suspend the guest, not shut down.
Suspend the
Sorry,
guest. Yeah,
student.
yeah, suspend, yeah.
Suspend the guest. You have to do.
Okay.
Click on that. Suspend guest.
Mm,
Shutdown means again long procedure. You will not able to do that.
okay.
Suspend guest. Click on that
Yes.
and reopen once again. You'll get to know.
Yeah, mom, I got the screen.
Yes. Now what you have to do directly, you can go to the right side corner and close. From your screen, you can close it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
So
mom.
this is
Yeah.
the procedure, students. On screen, you cannot close. When the screen is minimized and you will get the resume screen, then only you can close it. Understood, Pooja? Like this we
Yes,
have to
mom.
do.
Thank you,
Okay,
mom.
so we'll continue. At least enterprise structures will complete. Again, tomorrow I'll be teaching you as it is like fiscal year or something like that. Okay, so all students are following. So put yes in the message box if you are understanding. If any doubts, that also you can type. Put your thumbs up also in message box. Okay. I want all students should understood. Everyone doubt should clear. Okay. Joshna, what about this? Joshna, you're getting? Okay, very good. Okay, so I'll continue once again, students, like from this company code. So I'm going to share once again. See, so every day we'll do like this, all the classes. You can share, you can clear the doubts, everything. Okay, now see here. Now I am already this click on save. Once I'll save, data has been saved, and need not to do those who have not getting this customizing request. Any part, any point you will get it. So that time only you create the request. So define company has done, edit company code also done. Then I have to create define credit control area. Now I have created. How I can check it out? Just click on this. Then edit company code data. So position
Excuse
I'll
me,
give.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I'm just stuck on the prompt for customizing request. Could you please help?
1 second. So this has been done. Okay. Wait, I'll stop sharing, then I'll tell you that. Okay, who is asking me now? Who's
Ma'am, it's me,
where is
Harshit.
Harshita? Harshita is speaking, I think. Harshita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay, Harshita name, two name is displaying. Any system you are using from which Harshita I am, I'll connect.
Ma'am, it's just Harshita.
Okay. So two is the displaying, so I'm telling. 1 second. Harshita. Are you able to present? Okay. You can present now, Harshita.
Ma'am, meanwhile, I have a doubt, ma'am. After finishing after the data was been saved, should I click on the left arrow and get back to my SAP
Your
Easy
voice
Access?
your voice is breaking little bit. Okay, you are
Okay.
getting the screen. Okay, very good. Type their company name itself. Hello.
Yes, ma'am,
Nida,
it's
I'm
already
not
done. I've
getting your
already put
voice.
customer company.
So you type your company in the descriptions area, short description, and click on save button.
Is this the save button, ma'am?
Yes, the down it is corner, left corner down. Save button is there. Save there.
It's done, ma'am.
Yes. Now you click on the tick mark. Did you create by your new request you have created? Then click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
tick mark. Tick mark is there means green color tick mark is displaying on the left down
Sure,
corner.
ma'am.
That one. In that screen, in that dialog box only, customize required box, the tick mark is there, green color. Yes, it's done. Click on save and back. On the top screen, it is there, save button.
Yes,
Click
ma'am.
and click there and come back to the display image screen.
Yes, ma'am, it's done.
Okay. Then click on position and check it out. Click on position.
What do I enter here, ma'am? The whole company's name?
The screen is not coming till me. Did you click on position? I have not
Yes,
written. Huh.
ma'am.
That is company. That 6 digit you have created. No, that you have to give.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then click on the tick mark. That continue button we are telling.
Yes, ma'am, I got this.
Got this? Okay. Done. Likewise, you can do it. This is your created company. Like this company code also you can create. Edit company code. It is there. You can create it. Okay.
Yes.
Done. Okay. Next we'll do uh, define credit control area. So notes and all are already I have sent. So I am going to teach you how we can work on the software. So all classes will be practical student. Now see here once again. So I have created company. I have create company code. Now what I'll do, this company code I have to create one more define credit control area. So just below this define company, one more option is there, define credit control area. So you click on this and click on new entries. You can see one more time on the screen. See which is highlighted, define credit control area.
Yes, ma'am. You
Okay.
can go to the new entry.
Okay, very good. Then click on new entries. Acha, here what we have to give, what company code you are using that you have to give. SU, I have given SU, you can give AK just like 27, Akshay has created like this you can give. And credit limits. Credit limits I'll give 1 lakh. Just like I told, it's a limit to the customer. Credit limit to the customer we are sending. This is called credit control area. Other things you need not to fill
Ma'am,
students. Just click on. Credit limit
ma'am,
you
what
give 1
has to
lakh.
be the credit limit, ma'am? Actually, normally when we
1
are
lakh.
actually
1 lakh.
doing the credit control,
Right
it should
now
be
I'm
one
giving
lakh,
1 lakh.
right?
Yes. 150 you put. And click on the save button. Okay. So click on the save button. This is already exist. It's telling. Credit control area I have created. Just a minute. Okay, I have done. Okay, here once you save it, you will get the screen, student. Then you need to type credit control area for. Okay, I'm creating and save. After putting 1 lakh, you need to save. Then you have to come back. Then you back button, once you do, you will get the screen. There you need to type.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have the request screen being displayed. Should I click on the green tick?
Yes. For you, who is telling now? For whom it is
Yashita.
coming?
Yashita. Oh, yeah.
Yashita, for you. For you, before it was not coming. Now it's came.
I'm creating now. So,
Very good. I told no that time, anytime you can create, the screen will appear. Due to some things, it will not appear, but it will appear. Okay. So I'll just. Can you share the screen now, Ashita? Share me the screen now.
ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
You got it, then good. Everyone is getting, students. How it is? Credit control area, you understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, after the customizing request, I'm just getting details of added entries.
Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to share the screen, Harshita?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
You can share the screen.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. So, once after typing credit control area for my name, my code or something, what should I just do? Should I just click save?
No. In credit control area, the code you have to give in the top. Okay. Currency not
Yes.
required. It will take automatically. Just in credit limit, type 1 lakh. And no, don't use any comma and something. No comma, no full stop, nothing. Just you type 150. 50 you put and click on save.
Yes, ma'am, I've done all that. And then you type something as the credit control area for that you put some 4-digit code, right? I did the same thing. After that, what should I do, ma'am? Should I just click save?
Nah, save you have to do, then back to the screen. There you have to type credit control area for that one. I shown you that. So let's
Yes,
Akshay,
ma'am, I typed
Ashit.
that.
Then you save it. Not a problem. Save that.
That's it, right? Okay.
You have to save that. Now, Ashita, continue that. Click on
Ma'am,
save.
it's just save.
Okay, data was saved. Back you go. Once back. How to go back? I told you already. Yes, there. Now your company is displaying in the top, right? There you type credit control area for type credit control area for what you have given company code that you type.
Is this fine, ma'am?
What you have typed? I'm not able to see
Uh,
that. Credit control
ma'am,
area for
HS05, ma'am.
yes. Click on save.
Yes, ma'am.
Data was saved. Now back you go. One step back you go. Yes. So you are in, that has been done. Okay, now
Okay.
I'll tell you the next one. So next is business area and assign. Three things is there. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
what
we'll
about the
continue.
delete check company code, ma'am?
Yes, tell me,
What about the
Ashita.
edit copy delete? Should we do something there?
Edit company code, that is you have not created code.
I
See,
just now.
after define company, third option you have to create, ma, first, Harshita. After define company, edit copy you have to create, then you can do credit control area. Okay,
Oh,
no
ma'am,
problem. You create it now.
how do I
Click on
do
this
that, ma'am?
edit. You You can do it now, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Double click on the edit company code data. Last option. Yes.
I ended up on this screen, ma'am.
No, there is some screen is not displaying for me. Okay. Is it displaying for you? Organizational offset company something is displaying.
Should I go
I
back,
told
ma'am?
you first define company, then edit company code up to do, then create control area. It is not in that. It is just आगे पीछे it is okay. So double click on this third options. Third options. Edit company code data. No, third one. Last one. Last
Sure,
one.
ma'am.
Double click there. Yes, last one. Last option. Double click.
It's just
Yes,
not
there
working.
only.
It's not working, ma'am. I'm just not able to.
You have done little wrong procedure. First, this is the first, second procedure. Third one is credit control area actually. Try it. Is coming.
Um,
It's not opening.
no, ma'am. I'm just not able to bring it to the third column.
I have done it in wrong way, Harshit.
Ma'am,
First define
ma'am, she's gotten
company
it
name.
wrong, ma'am.
Huh?
You don't have to bring it to the third column. You just have to double click the edit company code.
That is only last column only I'm telling.
Yeah, I
Yes.
got this.
You got the screen. Then click on this new entries. Yes. Now
Yes,
you type company code. Give company code what you have given 4 digit that you give. This is actually
yes.
second step. After defining company, this is second step. Okay, no problem. Type there. We'll accept it. Type the company name and city, country, currency, all this thing you fill and save.
Should I type the city also, ma'am?
Yes, everything you need to type.
And then save.
Yes, click on save. What happened?
It's
So
just
you
telling.
missed out currency. Yes, type there and save. No, what you are typing that is country. What is
I
not
am.
currency is INR.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
2 times if you will try it will lock. That's what I'm telling. Press enter once. Yes. Now it is asking like this. Okay. Type their company. Wrong. You should not enter students. It will lock your software. Then type your company name. Yes. Okay. Give postal code. How I shown for Akshaya like this. Yes. That right side you give city Bangalore. Same row only. Just right side of the pin code you give Bangalore. There only.
Where is?
Right side, right side. Just pin code right side, one box also there. No field is there.
Okay.
Yes, there. Bangalore. City, sorry, country India IN and reason is 10. Below that
Reach.
only it is 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Left side country you give IN. You have given?
Yes, I've given it already,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then come to the down. Tick mark is there. No, full down. Last of the screen. Yes, there. Yes, customizing request. So you have to create. I think you have not created. Is it your company?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
this
It's my
your?
account.
Okay. Click on the tick mark. Yes, data is getting saved. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
all it's done. Then click on save button once and back to the display image screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So
The
next
data
is
already saved.
yes, that's done. Okay. Then I'll tell you business
Thank.
area. So
Yes, ma'am.
all
Thank you.
students, you understood how it is working. Okay, so I'll show you now one more, define business area. And one more last topic for today's, assign company code to business area. Now see, this is done, save. I'll also back. Then next option is just edit, copy, delete is there. No, just below that define business area is there. So click on this define business area. Okay. So see that define business area. Click on this IMG activity. Click on the new entry. Okay. Click on the new entries. What you have to type? Same company code you have to type, and business area for, okay, type you like your company code you type, students. After this you have to click on save. This is easy. Click on the save button. So it is already exists. It's telling how. I think this company I have used before. I think that's what it's telling. Okay. So I have used this company, I think. Okay, it is there. So anyhow, you understood? So all you are able to do this business area. Hmm? Business area have you done, students? If you have done, say yes in the chat box.
Ma'am, after the business area, there's again a request coming. So we just gotta tick on the green button.
Yes. Request will
Yes.
come. Everything it will, every time it will come. But you have to check in the request dialog box your company name is displaying or what. If it is your company displaying, now right now you are working, your company name will display. Just click on continue means tick mark. That's all.
Yes.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone has done this.
Ma'am, could you guide me once through the business area?
Ha.
How to
Share
create
the
it?
screen. Sneha, Shrino, share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shreyasri, can you share this?
Ma'am, 1 second. I'm not getting the option.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Um,
Yes, tell Akshay.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so after I define the business area, so once again, when I just go to that edit, copy, delete company code or something, I don't get the green tick, ma'am, in my edit company
No,
code.
you
Why
need
does
not to
that
go
happen?
again. You need not to go again. This is step by step has done. We have created no a company code. Why required to go to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
again? You need not to go there.
No,
The step by step all it
no,
is
ma'am.
done. You have not created
Yes, ma'am.
company
So
code.
I,
Without company code, you should not create credit control and business area. I shown you from the beginning. Akshaya. Okay, first is define company, then edit company code data, then credit control area, then business area.
Yes, ma'am. I understood, ma'am. So I just wanted to know if that green tick is
No,
actually visible. So that's the reason I went back or something.
okay, okay, check it, no problem. So what happened, Snehashri, tell me. Okay, you
Ma'am,
are
could you
asking
guide
about
me through it?
business. Yes, yes. You click on new entries. Okay. Then you type this yellow part is there. No, that company code you type. What you have given. Okay. Type the 4-digit code. And here you type your company, sorry, business area for same company code you type. This is like a task for you students. All the classes will be like this. Okay, click on save. Yes, data was saved. But if like this, you can do it. Back to the screen. I will tell you one thing, Snehashri. Your screen is like minimizing. Okay, uh, nothing is problem, but you can check it. I will show you on my screen. Your screen is not fully means not maximized. I'll tell you why it is. Okay. So you stop the share screen. I will share and show it to all students. And tomorrow I'll show you how to assign the company. Okay. So just 2 minutes. I'll show you actually why Snehashri screen is minimized. Okay. Everything is correct only, but here I can show you out. See this. The screen is there, so we have this button. Okay, this is full screen. For her it is coming like a minimize. Okay, so what will happen, you can maximize here but not required. If you're able to do, don't click on this again, the software will lock. But it is always full screen, it should be there. Okay, so right now it's working, not a problem. If anything is there, you can just full screen on this. Here we have a 3 screen button, but for me those two are disabled. I will see if I'll click here, what will happen, it will be showing like for her. Understanding? See this, Snehasri, are you getting? Your screen is displaying like
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
So you can click on this enter full screen mode, so it will be full screen. Got it, students? So small things are there, you can check it out. That's all for the day. Tomorrow I'll tell you how to assign company code to company and how to assign company code to credit control area. Okay, so that's all. Practice with this. You create 1 2 more
Also,
companies.
ma'am,
After this, you can close it. Suspend the guest and close it.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, tomorrow
Without,
I'll be coming tomorrow to the Jayanagar branch by like
yeah, you can
one
come.
o'clock.
I'll be here. I'll be here. So
Yeah,
for
by
what
1 o'clock.
reason?
Is that okay?
Huh? But for what? Any software issues is there?
Yes, ma'am. Like the
Huh,
software is
afternoon
lagging
only
a
you
lot.
can
I
get
can't
him
type.
because morning he will not be here.
I'll
Afternoon only
be.
you can meet him.
Can I come by
After
one?
2 o'clock can you come because his maximum days is coming after 2 o'clock. So is your number is there in your group? So I'll call back to you. You can contact and you can come. Okay. I'll inform you if sir is
No,
coming.
because I live far away, so I thought by from college I could come directly to the center.
I'll inform you, Palak. I'll inform you from
Okay,
office
ma'am. Thank you.
mobile. Okay.
Yeah, can you inform me latest by today night, like so that I can.
No, 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 no. Now her logout time. By tomorrow morning, I'll inform you.
Okay, no, I'll
Uh,
leave to college without my
or else
laptop
do
otherwise.
one thing, Palak. You can send the message in group itself. So sir will get to know means, sir, I have some software issues and I want to come to Chennai. So can I meet you like this? You can put a message. So he will get means he will reply you. No problem
Okay,
for
ma'am.
that.
Thank you. I will do that surely. Thank you.
Okay. All you students, you understand? Set yes and you can leave the session.